Hey folks, welcome to another Sky Perspective tech video. I thought in this video we'll have a bit of fun doing something different. We are going to test if the shorter key travel of the Logitech K780 will help improve typing speed. Conventional keyboards like the Logitech K260 have taller key travels. I'll be doing two tests on each keyboard. I'll let you be the judge to see if the K780 keyboard is any faster. Before that, I would like to shout out a big thank you to those subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. As at today, I have 3 subscribers. Yay! I'm happy even when there is only 3 subscribers. My purpose for setting up this Sky Perspective channel is to make great useful content for all of you to enjoy. So if you are the 3 subscribers who have subscribed to my channel watching this, thank you. Thank you so much in appreciating my work. Okay, let's get on with the typing speed test. The typing website I'm using is called typingtest.com. To make the test as equal as possible, both keyboards are wireless Logitech keyboards connected to the same Windows desktop machine and having the same typist. That's me. Okay, here we go. First test on the Logitech K260. Notice on the top right, it is showing how much time I have left, my current typing speed, and the number of misspelled words. Okay, first test on the K260 keyboards, I managed to hit 65 words per minute. Now on to the second test on the K260 keyboard. I noticed this typingtest.com website actually gives me a different test paragraph to type on. Perhaps that is to make sure I don't get used to the text that I'm typing and type faster the next time round. Okay, cool. The second test on the K260 keyboard, I managed to hit 70 words per minute. Now it's time to switch over to the Logitech K780 keyboard. Now let's see if this keyboard round keys and short keys travels actually make any difference. Okay, last few seconds now. Getting close to the end. Nice! The first test on the K780, I'm already scoring higher, hitting 73 words per minute. Okay, let's do the second test on the K780 to see if the test results is going to be the same or slower. In this second test, notice that my typing speed is actually hitting 80 words per minute when I'm blitzing through. I got stuck at the very last sentence and making my typing speed drop back down. It's interesting I still hit 73 words per minute again this time round. Okay, let's look at the summary of all the test results. I managed to get slightly faster typing speed, but actually higher mistyped errors on the K780 compared to the K260. Not sure if my tests are fair comparison though. What do all of you think? Let me know your comments down below. And if you are up for it, try it out yourself on typingtest.com using both types of keyboards and let me know. What I can confirm is that the round keys and short keys travel of the Logitech K780 can perform the same, if not better, when compared with conventional keyboards. I can feel my typing speed is about the same, if not slightly faster. Remember to also check out my other videos about the tips and tricks I discovered when using this Logitech K780 keyboard. Please let me know if my videos are helpful to you by liking my video, and comment down below how I can make better videos for you. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video. See you on the next video.